OneyPlays!
Faster,
This one?
cleaner,
Yeah.
and darker than ever before.
Cory's darker than last time.
Cory's darker side emerges. Dark Cory.
Dark Cory has bigger shoes and
Dark Cory is exclusively positive.
He's got a longer trench coat, and you can't see what's behind those round glasses. Who knows?
December 12th.
Who
Be
knows
there.
what he's gonna draw next? When Cory draws a cartoon character that no one can comprehend, it turns his life upside down.
I drew this character! I can't even comprehend it!
Now Cory must evade the U.S. government. We are the government! Give us the cartoon core!
No, it's mine. You lose.
Cory defeats the government with his wits.
Oh, dang, I guess we'll stop now.
But he wasn't counting on what happened next.
Bring, bring.
Oh, who's here?
I am your mother, Cory.
Oh, fuck.
I created the cartoon that you stole, and now I'm dying. Unless you draw more.
Raise his eyebrow.
In order to save his mother, Cory must fuck the cartoon in real life.
Give it to a good son.
How does that save her?
I gotta admit, I would not watch or star in this movie.
Dark Cory coming to jpmorgan.com.
jpmorgan.com